How's it going? Eric with GTECHNIQ here to discuss some frequently asked questions surrounding our permanent trim restorer C4. We're reached out to with this product quite a bit as people seem to be apprehensive in using the product. Proper prep is key. We want to make sure that our trim panels, whether plastic or rubber, are properly cleaned and dried prior. Please take note if you've used other non-permanent or semi-permanent trim restorer products, some over-the-counter products or other products that have failed over the course of days or weeks, that you need to clean and make sure that all of that is out of the surface first. A properly prepped surface is going to allow C4 to bond and give you the up to 2 years durability that we look for. Can you use too much C4? The question comes to us a lot and the answer is yes, you can. C4 can be layered. You want to do thin layers or light layers with about an hour in between. If you take this running board or piece of trim here that has a heavy texture, for example, and you over apply C4, you're going to end up with nice, black, even, shiny peaks and very cloudy, unfortunate looking valleys. That is what we're trying to avoid by putting multiple thin layers instead of one heavy coat or heavy layer. As long as you follow the directions and you have a clean, ready to go surface, you're gonna make your trim look brand new for years to come. I'm Eric Joseph with GTECHNIQ. Hopefully that answered your questions around our permanent trim restorer C4. Thanks for watching.